Hi, I'm Hallie, Head of Automation at Radix Labs. Here's a demo of running a simple liquid handling protocol on the Opentrons using the Radix toolchain. The first step is always to design your protocol. Using the Radix toolchain right now, that happens with a text-based version of Easel, a biology-specific way to describe protocols. For this video, we wanted to use food coloring to make a picture of a house and a shrub. Since we want a specific plate layout, we'll override most of Weaver's freedom to optimize plate layouts and instead specify the well locations we'd like our colors to end up. To define my wells, I can either use math or code, as we see with the bicolored wells, or I can manually construct a list of strings as I do for the green-only wells. Now that I have wells, it's time to actually move the fluid. To do this, we tell the liquid handler to move to our green water, aspirate 30 microliters, then move to the specified well in our piece of artwork and dispense the fluid. For the bicolored wells, we do this for both green and blue colored water. Finally, we want to add the green roof and shrub with just the green water. And that's our protocol. Now you may have noticed that when we defined our protocol, we didn't have to do any work with pipette tips. We just had to describe the fluid movements that we wanted. That's because Weaver asks Rainbow at runtime what tips are available, and dynamically inserts the correct tip handling instructions to safely run the protocol. Once we've defined our protocol, it's time for Radix Weaver to translate that into runnable instructions, as we see now. During this process, Weaver does some optimizations to correctly use the multi-channel pipette, and also inserts the tip handling instructions we need to run the protocol. It also keeps track of where all materials are, so it's able to safely optimize protocols within the parameters we allow. This is pretty fast, typically a minute or two. Finally, our dialect device connectors will translate that optimized protocol into the specific instructions for your liquid handler, in this case, the Opentrons. For this demo, we have Weaver configured to re-rack tips, since here we're just working with food coloring and want to conserve consumables. After each pipette operation, it'll replace the tips in the correct place in the rack. And there you have an end-to-end demo of what it's like to do an Opentrons protocol using the Radix platform. If you're interested in learning more, reach out to us at hello@radix.bio.